In this part of the training, you're going to learn how to actually get your affiliate link from the affiliate platform and then work with it, customize the link, and manage your affiliate links. So this is what Share a Sale looks like once you've been set up and you've been improved into the LifterLMS affiliate program. So I'm just inside Share a Sale as an affiliate. So I click on links here. I'm already on this screen, and this account, this is just a test account. You can see I'm signed up for 2 affiliate programs, one for Share a Sale, the affiliate platform itself, and also LifterLMS, which the parent company is called CodeBox. So that's why you see CodeBox there as well. So all you have to do is click on Get Links, and you're right here. So this link right here is your unique affiliate link. So every LifterLMS affiliate has their own unique link, and that's how the tracking happens. So I'm simply just going to copy that default link, and now I have my affiliate link. But then the next question is, well, how do I keep track of all these and how do I manage these? And we'll go over that some here and more in another video. But let's assume we're a user of LifterLMS as an example, and this is our LifterLMS website. And we want to put a page on here that says tools I recommend or things like that. What we can do to make affiliate link management super easy is install a free plugin called Pretty Links. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the dashboard, the WordPress dashboard, and I'm going to install a plugin called Pretty Links. So I'm going to click on plugins, click add new plugin, and search for Pretty Links. And you can see it's right here. I'm going to click install now. And I'm going to activate that. So let's go over how to set up Pretty Links. So we'll click get started here. I'm going to skip activating the license because you can use just the free version of Pretty Links to do what I'm going to show you how to do next. And I'm going to skip these upsells here. Although if you want to get the premium version of Pretty Links, you can. And then creating your Pretty Link. And here's a training video on how to do it. Create your first Pretty Link. So the target URL is our affiliate link, which I copied over from Share a Sale. You can see that whole thing right here. And since we're promoting LifterLMS here, I'm just going to do LifterLMS as the slug. So basically what this is going to do is instead of putting this long kind of ugly link, it's going to be mywebsite.com/LifterLMS, and that's going to send people through my affiliate link. And I'm just going to make that a permanent, like I don't plan on changing this. So I put my affiliate link in Pretty Links one time, and I'm going to click save. So there's my Pretty Link. I'm going to keep going through the setup wizard here to see if there's anything else I need to do. I'm just kind of skipping the upsells here. And I'm going to go ahead and click finish. So here in my website, now that I have the Pretty Links plugin installed, you can see there's this Pretty Links menu item here. So if I click on Pretty Links, this is the screen I'm on here now. I'm just going to close this upsell and the second upsell and open up my LifterLMS Pretty Link here. So I'm going to click edit. And you can see my website has like a long domain name, but my pretty link is basically mywebsite.com/LifterLMS. And I can just click copy right here. And if we go up to a new window and we click on paste, you can see mywebsite.com/LifterLMS. It's not that whole big long share a sale link with all the numbers and everything. But when I click enter, and basically that's what it's like when somebody clicks on your link, it sends them through the pretty link, through my affiliate link, and they land. And this is just some share a sale code. They're tracking that click to the affiliate that whose link that was. And that's it. That's how you use pretty links to make shorter, more beautiful links. For example, sometimes you're just putting the raw link somewhere and you don't want that long share a sale link. You just want mywebsite.com/LifterLMS. Or if you're promoting an affiliate link in a podcast, as an example, you might say, just go to mywebsite.com/LifterLMS. And that's people can remember that and type that in and use your affiliate link and hopefully convert and earn you a commission. So just heading back over here, one of the great things about pretty links is that sometimes, we have never done this at LifterLMS, but sometimes people who have an affiliate program will change their affiliate program. And if you've used your affiliate link all over the place on your website and all these different places, and you have to sign up to a new affiliate program and change your link, because you use this pretty links, which does the redirect, if that were to happen, all you have to do is, if you ended up getting a new affiliate link for the same product through a different affiliate platform, you could just change it in this one place and it would change everywhere on your website. So that is a demo of how to get your affiliate link using LifterLMS as an example, your unique affiliate link, and then how to set up pretty links to make your affiliate link management super easy, so that all you ever have to do when you want to go grab your affiliate link is just go to your website, click the copy button, and you've got that on your clipboard. And if you're doing a new email or want to link to it somewhere else on your website, Pretty Links makes that super simple for you.